How to become Outlet Dark Store partner. Step 1. Understand what a dark store actually is. A dark store is a warehouse that's not open to the public. Outlet use it purely to store groceries and essentials. So when you order on the app, your item comes from one of these warehouses instead of a regular supermarket shelf. Step 2. Know why Outdeck beats this system. The whole point is speed. Before dark stores, grocery orders depended on rider physically going to the supermarket to shop for you, which took time. With dark stores, everything is already packed and ready, cutting delivery times down to 20 minutes or less in areas where they are active. Step 3. See how big this is getting. This isn't a small sized project. Aldec raised $9 million specifically to fund this expansion, with a goal of opening 500 dark stores by the end of 2026, adding 2 to 3 new locations every week. Step 4. Understand who stocks this warehouse. Outdeck doesn't source everything alone. They partner with Go Lemon, a Nigeria grocery delivery startup, to help supply the dark stores with quality checked produce and larger grocery basket, while Outdeck himself still runs the store and handles the fast same day delivery side. Step 5. Know what this means for you as a customer. When you order groceries on Outdeck, especially in a city where dark stores are active, you are likely getting faster delivery and more consistent product availability than before. This is the infrastructure behind that quick commerce experience you may have already noticed getting faster. However, dark stores aren't in every city yet. They are only confirmed active location in Lagos so far, with more rolling out through 2026.